Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we are going to set up the environment that I like to use to code. Now we will use Visual Studio Code on Windows. Once we are done with the code, we will copy it and paste it on our Raspberry Pi. So the first step is to download the Visual Studio Code. To do that, you need to go and write code.visualstudio.com. Now here it is, download for Windows. Click once and the download will start. As you can see, it already started down here. It will take a few seconds to download the software. Now we also need to install the software. Once we are done, we need to install the Python extension and we need to make sure that we have Python installed on our system. So this is a free software from Microsoft for developers and programmers to help them write code. So click on it. The installation process will start. Click I accept, next, and you can check all of these. Click next, then install. It won't take long. It will extract the files and then install them on your system. Done. Make sure that this is checked. Click finish. Now here we have it. We have the Visual Studio Code installed on our system. Now the first thing that you need to know is this list. We have an Explorer, a search, source control, run and debug icon, extensions, and remote Explorer. We need to go to the extensions. Now, after clicking on the extensions, simply look for PlatformIO IDE and you will get the first result. This is the thing that we are looking for. It's a professional development environment for embedded Internet of Things, Arduino, CMSIS, ESP, FreeRTOS, and a lot of other boards. And as you can see, it's open source and it's a cross-platform IDE. Amazing IDE that we recommend using. It supports up more than 1000 embedded board, more than 40 development platform, and more than 20 framework. So these are the features. It's simple. Simply hit the install button and the installation process will start. As you can see, it has more than 2 million downloads, around 2,350 5-star review, and this is the current version that we are using. Now, if you saw this, the uninstall button, it means that you have the platform installed and ready for you to use. Now, that's it. This is how to get the PlatformIO cross-platform development environment for embedded systems. The next step is creating our first C code for Arduino board using Visual Studio Code and PlatformIO. Thanks for watching this lesson. See you next.